Jamaican mourns the passing of veteran journalist Owen James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Press Association of Jamaica has expressed sadness at the passing of veteran journalist and media practitioner Owen James. James, who passed away recently, was renowned for his business programs on television Jamaica and CVM television, and his long-standing career in both print and broadcast media. He began his illustrious journey in journalism at the Gleaner Company of Jamaica and later became an editor at the Star, succeeding Jack Anderson. Throughout his career, James demonstrated exceptional leadership and vision, particularly during his tenure at the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation (JBC) in the 1980s. While there, he played a crucial role in developing a team of journalists who went on to make significant impact in the industry, the Press Association of Jamaica said in a statement. James was a pioneer in business journalism in Jamaica, recognizing the need for more comprehensive coverage of entrepreneurship and financial matters. He created influential programs such as A Ray of Hope, The Business Day, and The Business Review, which remain staples on local TV in Jamaica. Other programs he created, such as On a Personal Note, garnered critical acclaim and resonated with audience, particularly young people, and later the Owen James Report. The Press Association of Jamaica extends its deepest condolences to James' family, friends, and colleagues. His legacy as a mentor, innovator, and advocate for quality journalism will continue to inspire future generations of media professionals in Jamaica and beyond. We here at Links 007 TV would like to take this opportunity as well, just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.